By now, every part of our component has been controlled through editable properties. But sometimes, instead of creating another property, it's more convenient to let users insert regular builder elements directly into the component. That's exactly what a children slot is for. I'll open the pricing card component and enable Allow Children slot. Now in the HTML template, I'll need to define where nested elements should appear inside the component. I will add the slot placeholder wrapped in a simple container. To give this area a little spacing, I'll also add a small CSS rule for the slot container. After saving the component, I'll return to the page editor. Now when I select the pricing card, there's a new drop area inside the component exactly where I placed the slot. I'll drag a regular CrocoBuilder text element into it and enter most popular choice. Notice that this text isn't another component property. It's a regular builder element nested inside the reusable component. This approach gives you much more flexibility. Properties are great for structured data, while slots let you extend the component with additional content whenever you need it, without modifying the component itself. Under the component settings, I'll enable Register as a custom HTML element. This allows CrocoBuilder to expose the component as a reusable custom element. Next, I'll provide a component tag. A component tag is the custom HTML element that will identify this component, so it should be unique and follow the standard naming convention using lowercase letters and a hyphen. After saving the component, it's ready to be used outside the builder. Now I'll open a page in a WordPress block editor. Here I'll insert a custom HTML block. Inside it, I'll paste the custom element we just registered. Here, CB subheading is the custom HTML tag we assigned to the component, while heading text matches the property token we created earlier. The value inside the quotation marks becomes the text displayed by the component. You won't see the rendered component directly inside the custom HTML block, but once I open the page preview, the subheading appears with the same structure and styling we created in Crocoblock. Now I'll go back to the editor and change the text. After previewing the page again, the component updates automatically while keeping the same design and behavior.